Question. Dash clause is included in contracts to make up the increase in the cost of materials, labor or other expenses. Options A. Escalation, B. Bonus, option C. Addition, option D. Cancellation. Answer option A. Escalation. Maslow's need hierarchy theory is based on. Maslow's need hierarchy theory is based on option A. Organizational needs, option B. Market needs, option C. Human needs, option D. Penetration. Answer option C. Human needs. In the case of new products, dash method of pricing is most suitable. In the case of new products, dash method of pricing is most suitable. Option A. Cost plus, option B. Monopoly, option C. Markup, option D. Penetration. Answer option D. Penetration. Question. Arbitraging is dash activity: unfair, punishable, legal, unlawful. Answer option C. Legal. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following is not an offence under Income Tax Act? Which of the following is not an offence under Income Tax Act? Option A. Tax evasion. Option B. Income concealment. Option C. Tax avoidance. Option D. Overcharging depreciation. Answer option C. Tax avoidance. At the question, Nifty is based on the value of scrips listed in option A. National Stock Exchange, option B. OTCL, option C. Bombay Stock Exchange, option D. Cochin Stock Exchange. Answer option A. National Stock Exchange. Fire insurance contract is a contract of assurance, indemnity, loss, wager. Fire insurance contract is a contract of indemnity. Answer option B. Indemnity. At the question, MBP stands for. MBP stands for option A. Member Broker Plans. Member Broker Plans. Option B. Management Backed Project. Option C. Multi-banking partner. Option D. Maximum borrowing power. MBP stands for. Answer option D. Maximum borrowing power. MBP. At the question, errors in totaling and balancing is an example of. Errors in totaling and balancing is an example of. Option A. Error of omission. Option B. Error of commission. Option B. Compensating errors. Option D. Error of principle. Answer option B. Error of commission. At the question, SAP stands for. SAP. SAP stands for option A. Standard Auditing Practices. Option B. Standard Accounting Practices. Option C. Sectional Accounting Practices. Option D. Sectional Auditing Practices. Answer option A. Standard Auditing Practices. SAP.